Hey, what's up, Gala coin holder? What's going on this time? Gala coin condition is very critical now, minus 2.02%. You can see it in last 24 hours. Gala coin price will decrease now, but don't worry, my brother. It's 100% possible to upcoming time the Gala coin price will be pumping up because after a short term, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I hope my friends to in upcoming time Gala coin price will pumps up now. And this time you can see the chart result is completely show you, my friend. You can see today will hit the resistance line, so absolutely they are in the profit. So absolutely you can see they will never hit the resistance line in last 24 hours, so therefore the price will very badly dumps down. But don't worry, after a dump every coin will pumps up, so therefore I hope my friends to upcoming time the Gala coin price will be pumping up. Gala coin price 0.083 USD dollar, my friend, and you can see here this is the highest points, and absolutely I hope they will hit the my friends the resistance line in upcoming days. Market cap 581 million, and you can see 24-hour volume is 268 million, and domains you can see 0.03 US. So now dominance, sorry. So you can see my friend this time you can see here the cycle high, cycle low, you can see 0.072. Oh my goodness, the cycle high as 0.12. It's really high now, my friend. My friends, this time you can see here the max supply Gala price right now is 0.08 USD dollar with a 24-hour trading volume of 268.59 million, market cap of my friends 581.66 million, and market domains of 0.03. So the Gala price decreased minus 1.67% in last 24 hours. Can you understand this, my friend? Gala reached at the highest price on September 16. So wait for the September 16. I hope, my friends, after the mid of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore I hope they will give you a profit. Well, it was trading at its all-time high of 0.144791. The lowest price since its ATH was Ethereum. I you can see here 0.07, and cycle low. The highest Gala price since the last cycle low was 0.12, cycle high. So the Gala price prediction sentiment is currently bearish. So okay, hope you understand, my friend. You can see here Gala coin price will be increasing. The prediction is going negative. So therefore don't worry, my friend, if the price were fails down they are lost. So don't worry, my friend. I hope in upcoming time after the mid of month, after the 15 of my friend October, they will starting pumping up. So therefore we will need to wait for the mid of month. I hope they will recover the loss and they will get again very huge profit. So hope you understand. Please hold your subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more stuff informative videos. See you next time.